We need to prepare the tools before unloading. First, 2 tension ropes. Also, an infrared level. And a hand grinder with some iron plates. There is also a water bucket. A welding machine, a caulking gun, and waterproof sealant are required. When 4 logistics vehicles with rigging personnel arrive at the unloading point, the receiving party needs to arrange for personnel to inspect the product appearance. Unloading should not proceed if any doubts arise. The receiving party needs to ensure consistent heights and levels of the foundation. After the crane lifts the space capsule onto the foundation, prepare a bucket of water for each compartment to conduct drainage tests in the shower room and bathroom for checking water accumulation. If the flow is smooth, we proceed with welding using rack frame to column pier for hoisting. To ensure smooth water flow, use load-bearing iron plates to level uneven areas. Clearly instruct the crane driver to only step on the black structural adhesive lines on the capsule roof during unloading. The crane party is responsible for any economic losses resulting from failure to operate in accordance with this item. Mind the fuselage balance while lifting, as front and rear body weights vary. Before lifting, check if the lifting ring screws are tight and hang the lifting hooks at suitable temperatures. After lifting, waterproof the ring position, apply adhesive, and cover the lid. Above is our introduction to crane installation.